Hello there, welcome to the free video lesson on the guide to fighting speeding tickets. Knowledge is power when it comes to fighting speeding tickets. First of all, I'd like to welcome you to this video lesson, invite you to join our free e-course at www.trafficticketsaver.com, packed with tons of tips on how to get out of your speeding or traffic ticket, save from insurance rate increases, and save from points being added to your driver's license. Definitely check out trafficticketsaver.com. Alright, let's get into the video lesson today. First of all, if you get a speeding or traffic ticket, go to court. It is estimated around 93% of people don't go to court to fight their ticket. That percentage is way too high. If you go to court, you could possibly have your ticket dismissed or at least your fine reduced. Now next, question the technology. Cops catch speeder nowadays with radar guns. The radar guns are calibrated by a tuning fork. One guy got out of his ticket by asking the officer how the tuning fork is calibrated. The officer couldn't answer and the judge dismissed the ticket. Now that's just one small example. We have tons of different examples like this and methods you can use at trafficticketsaver.com. Alright, next, be creative. It could not hurt to make up a story such as I have to let my dog out, or I have a bad case of diarrhea. The cop is human and may understand your dilemma and let you off the hook. I've seen it happen before, I know it works. Just really depends on the cop that you get. If you get a cop that's human, then it might work. If you get a cop that's just a complete ass, it might not work. Now if you want to learn more, check out www.trafficticketsaver.com to get your free e-course on how to beat a traffic or speeding ticket. We've helped thousands of motorists from ever paying a dime. Can help you out from dealing with those insurance rate increases, fines, and points being added to your driver's license. Check it out, trafficticketsaver.com.